Hi everyone, this is Ella from Author Like a Boss. Um, I'm here on a Friday night, and I just wanted to let you know because we just got it set up, and I tested it, and I was like, it works! But we actually have a way now for you to find out and get notified about our live trainings by Facebook Messenger if you sign up to do that. So, for example, on Tuesday, when I am going to talk to you about newsletters and give you some really good examples of newsletters and go through like here's some awesome newsletters. When I talk to you about newsletters on Tuesday, if you want to get notified by Facebook Messenger, I have it set up to like 1 minute before we go live, you'll get a message from Facebook Message. Or when Megan's going to talk about her things on Thursday, if you want to get notified about them, you just have to, I'm going to put this link in the comments. If you click that link and then click the send to message, that signs you up. And all it is Facebook message. So you'll receive a Facebook message, a reminder that says, Megan's about to go live if you want to check it out, and it gives you a link. And that's it. That's all kind of we're planning on doing with them right now. But we had been trying to send emails, and it was like too many emails. But this is like very low commitment. All you got to do is click that link and then click send to messenger, and then you will get a Facebook message from us when we're about to go live. And that's it. So that way you can keep up on track of all the things that Megan and I, you don't have to miss any of the lives because you'll have the message. And if you're in a space where you can watch it with us and hang out with us. Okay. So that's all I wanted to do. I just want to make sure that everybody knew about that because I know a lot of you, or I've seen some comments where people are like, oh, I don't want to miss this, or when is this starting? When is this training starting? And you don't have to think about it. You don't have to put it in your calendar if you don't want to, because we can just remind you with a Facebook message. So if you want to do that, go ahead and sign up to ManyChat. Sign up to that link and you push send to message, and you will get a message reminding you when we're about to go live. And that's it. That's it, you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful writing day and I wish you a wonderful writing weekend. Hugs and happy writing. Thank you. Bye.